This video will demonstrate the recommended initial installation and setup process of the ICB Infusion Series coffee brewer. Remove the shipping cap from the fitting on the rear of the brewer. Install the 3/8 flare adapter on the rear of the brewer. Be sure to use the included rubber washer. After flushing the water line, attach the water line to the fitting on the machine. Turn on the water supply. Connect the brewer to a power source. Insert an empty funnel into the funnel rails of the brew station. Place an empty server under the funnel. Make sure the main on-off switch is in the on position. Make sure the enable brew on-off switch is on. Water will flow into the tank and stop when the tank is filled to its capacity. Display will show, "Please wait tank filling until tank is filled with water." Wait approximately 25 minutes for the water in the tank to heat to the proper temperature. Some water may drip from the funnel during this time. This is due to expansion and should not occur thereafter. Display will show, "Ready to brew, water temp 200 degrees, when tank is at operating temperature." Place a small vessel beneath the faucet and open the faucet handle. Release it when you hear the tank refilling. The brewer is now ready for use for coffee brewing.